Hey guys, what's up? My name is Aurora if you're new here, and today I have another HoneyLock haul. You guys really enjoyed my last jewelry haul with the brand HoneyLock, who specializes in personalization and very, very beautiful sentimental pieces. You guys loved it and so did I. That necklace that I showed in my last video has become my favorite necklace ever and one of my favorite pieces of jewelry of all time. So I reached out to HoneyLock to collab again because you guys liked that video so much. And here we are again to unbox two new pieces of jewelry that they just dropped on their site. This video is completely not sponsored. I'm just going to be showing you guys the product that I was sent and letting you guys know what I think of it. I did open the box up because my address is over here and I don't want to show it to you, but I haven't seen the pieces yet and I'm super excited to show that to you guys on camera. If you're new here, my name is Aurora. I make videos all about fashion, beauty, and home decor on a budget and would love for you to go down below and hit subscribe. I post new videos every single week. And if you want to follow me on Twitter and IG, you can find me at Rory Bell with 3 L's and 1 E. Side note, I'm filming a bunch of videos today, so if you are binge watching me, you heard me say this disclaimer already maybe, but I have tanner hands. Hi, my name is Aurora and I suck at putting tanner on. Anyways, let's get into the HoneyLock video. So when you order from HoneyLock, you get a really nice, beautiful package with some goodies. I do just want to say that if you are ordering jewelry, if you're a dude, you're ordering jewelry for a girl, just know that the presentation alone in this is so nice. Like, you could just order this as is and it will still feel like a package and a gift in and of itself. So you get a little card with a discount code, which is super nice because I know the first time I got a product from them, I was hooked and already wanted more. You also get these cute little stickers, super, super cute. And then we have the HoneyLock box. So again, packaging is A1. I love this packaging. So we're gonna open it up and it comes in a little pouch. Now, I was asked before about shipping. The shipping was pretty fast. It was like a week, which I would say is pretty standard, if not even quicker than most places right now during COVID and quarantine. And as far as tarnishing, nothing. Like, I wear my last locket so much. You could look on my Instagram, I'm always wearing it. And nothing's tarnished, nothing's turned or anything like that, so it's super a-okay on that. Okay, so I got a ring and I got a necklace. Both of these styles are a little bit different than what I'm typically wearing, and my nails are not done, so that's a side note and very tragic. But yeah, so I'm gonna just pour it out into my hand, and oh my god, I'm so excited about this. I'm gonna tell you kind of like why I wanted this piece. Okay, so I am very late to watching Euphoria, but I watched Euphoria like 2 months ago, and obviously, like everybody else, very obsessed with Maddie, and she always has like the prettiest jewelry on. And when I saw this necklace, this is so cute. When I saw this necklace, I was just like, it made me think of Maddie. So it's a gold chain, very, very pretty, with a dainty heart with little tiny like crystals around, and it says love in the center. This is so dainty and cute, and it's the perfect necklace for layering, I feel like. Another thing I love, I mentioned this in the last video, is that the clasp at the end has a little dainty heart, which is so cute. Okay, now let's talk about this ring. The ring also matches, and I just pictured this with like really cute long nude or white nails. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like slightly slanted and just gives such like a sweetheart, old, like classic vibe. These are so cute. I'm honestly so impressed. In terms of, you guys know I love my locket, and that was like so sentimental to me, but I almost like this ring even more than the last ring I showed you guys. And the daintiness of this necklace is everything. I'm never gonna take this off. So freaking cute. I'm obsessed with heart-shaped things. And this with the little love chain and the intricate detailing just looks so expensive. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little unboxing video. Shout out again, HoneyLock. I will link them down below. I'm so obsessed with their pieces. Very, like I said, Maddie from Euphoria vibes. Make sure to subscribe if you're not already. Like I said, I'll link everything down below, including my last HoneyLock video. And if I have a coupon code, it will be down below as well. They also hooked me up with a coupon code for you guys, so make sure to check out down below to save money. I don't make any money off the link, but just hooking it up for you guys. Bye guys.